Welcome, celebrity, methodical man. All right, what's going on? I got out of my penguin suit, so I'm here. What happened? We had some news, right? We had ADP non-farm payroll employment change. All right, nothing special. I hope everybody YOLO'd some accounts. Hey Marcos, congratulations for the London session trade. This was diamond hands. You know, this move. Let me use the other tool. This move to you, Marcos, diamond hands. John, hey there, good to see you. Yeah, very nice move. Very nice move there, Marcus. Gotta say, you had the balls, you had the strength, you had everything. July 4, half day. Yeah, so everything is closing at 1 p.m. And I think, for example, at TOPSTEP or BULENOX, I don't even know, you have to close everything at lunch hour. So 12 p.m., right? Have to close everything at 12 p.m. or something. Anyway. Anyway, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Capture. Let me see. I think you sent me a nice picture of your trade, so I'm guessing you made it all the way to the top there. That was a good job. I was actually trying to short gold earlier and it stopped me out, unfortunately. So I already have a stop loss for today. Martin, hey. But it was only for an evaluation account. So today is the official launch of the new MyFundedFutures starter account, so get ready. All right. Let's get ready for, which one is the next news? Unemployment claims. Okay, let's see. Unemployment claims, I'm ready for it, bring it on. Sue Trades, good morning. Nice to have everyone. Look at that, almost took out the Asia lows. Gold is making new highs. Look at that. Or could be. Could be. And it made new high. Can still spike higher. I could have entered on this one, but I didn't. What's happening? Nasdaq spiked lower. All right. So Asia lows finally officially have been taken out. It was quite a difficult road to reach this area finally. But if you look at it on the 5-minute, it was awful in the London session. It was really awful. Gold making new highs. Jackson, hey there. Morning, my friend. Morning to you too. Good to see you back. How's your trading? How's your day? How is everything? Let me know. Look at gold. Gold is flying. So I'm wondering if Nasdaq keeps being bullish after this or not. To me, it seems like it might want to return back to the range. On the 1 minute, took out the liquidity. But there's nothing here, nothing else. No fair value gap, nothing. The only thing we have is the 1 hour fair value gap below, which is at 204. Could be falling down there. We'll see. All right. Jan Hammer, hey, what's going on? What is going on? I think, what's the number that we're expecting? More unemployment claims. It's expected. We also have news at 10 a.m. We have meeting minutes, but that doesn't concern us. So, yeah. Market not really going to do anything special until 10 a.m. But this next one should be moving the market just a little bit. Waiting for the Apex resets on the evals. Still no business hours. Yeah. Well, yeah. No. That's true. They're not open yet. No business hours. No business hours. Might be a good idea to take some Buleanox accounts. No, I don't want to YOLO, and I don't want to YOLO. That's bad habits. That would be bad habits. Bum, 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 bum. Let's go. Let's YOLO. Use my code. Give me a 90% discount, Methodical Man. Come on. Give me a 90% discount. I still my PA, I guess, but I don't know if I think you should not trade your PA accounts. Don't trade your PA accounts. It's not worth it. Trust me. 40%. I think, by the way, Buleanox still has the 83%, right? I was secret code for 8% off. Just don't look at the total. All right. Just don't look at the total, right? All right. All right. Still 83%. All right. I'm back. Code MM. 83%. Not, that's 90%, right? I'm going to go with that. Okay. Let's see. Actually, I just realized I got charged yesterday and today for the for some accounts from last month for only $17, right? Let's see. $17.50 from last month. So that's a good price. I also have one being rebuilt. $18.08. How is that possible? $18.08. Anyway, I have it. We're back. No, I was having a trade off stream on gold and I got stopped out, unfortunately. So what can we do, right? I got stopped out. But it is what it is. You know how it is. Nothing we can do. Let me check here. We have gold. Do we have gold? We have gold. All right, news in less than 3 minutes. Let me check something. Something is not looking good on my quant tower, but why is it not connecting? Okay. Now it should. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Okay. Why is it not connecting? Did you guys have any connection issues with BULENOX? Today I was having issues with Apex, but not with BULENOX. Interesting. Okay. Hopefully it's fine. Nasdaq, let's look at it. Oh, yeah. Going down. We are waiting for Methodical Man, guys. Hey, Latza. I did trade on gold and got good profit and then gave them... Oh, you gave it back. Well, the big number, I think it's a bigger number, is coming out. Brownie, hey there. Please type what type of account you have. Please, what type of account have you now on screen? What type of account? I have, currently I have none. I'm not taking a trade on this, but I have BULENOX, I have Apex, TOPSTEP, MyFundedFutures. I have funded accounts with BULENOX, TOPSTEP, Apex, but I'm not taking a trade now. So, yeah. Let me check something real quick. It's almost news. Let's see how it goes. I'm curious about gold, by the way. How it's gonna go. NQ is not really moving. Is gold gonna go higher? I'm wondering. Not really. It's not really moving anywhere. So just gonna wait some more. I did make a trade on one of my valuation accounts. My PC speed, well, I have an old computer, so... Oh, thank you, Jackson, for using my code. Is a Combine account? I mean, I do have Combine account, but I have funded account too. For example, I have a TopStep. I have currently one TopStep funded account right here. This. So, but I only have just a little bit of extra on this one. So this is my only TopStep funded account. I do have a BuleNox account funded. It has 2,114. I have another BuleNox funded. It has over $2,000 as well. But I'm only taking small steps. I do have an Apex funded account, but it has a lot to go still. It's only like at 500 something, so I do have to work on this. And I have other funded accounts, which I'm not going to show yet, but I'm working on. Actually, those are not even trading. It's an Apex account with 0 on it. It's 50K, nothing. I didn't do anything on that. And I have one more BuleNox, nothing on that. And I'm working on the MyFundedFutures accounts. And pretty much that's it. So, trying to get some more. Yeah, news came out, so nothing really happened. So if you guys were expected something special, well, I wasn't really expecting anything. So my PC is an old one. Yeah, markets are closed. On TopStep, do you use TopStep X or TradeAway? I never use TopStep X, not that I don't like it. The reason is that I don't like to trade, for example, on TradingView. And as much as I learned about TopStep X, it's a little bit like TradingView, but I don't care about that because I know many people are saying it's an awesome platform. I'm just so much used to QuantTower, and I do have TradeAway accounts, so I had no reason to switch to TopStep X because I'm copy trading. So I just did not want to pay extra money on TopStep X. Not that I think it's bad. I just pretty much, you know, leaned to Rhythmic Connection for QuantTower, and I do have some TradeAway accounts with MyFundedFutures. So, well, something happened on the 1 minute, Tom. The 5 minute just smoothed it over. Oh, let's check it. Well, yeah, the 1 minute did go lower, right? And it seems like it's continuing to go lower. Only 14 points to go to the hourly fair value gap from here. That's not far. If you pass evaluation, can move straight away to Express Funded account? Yeah, sure. Spy Girl, high five. Yeah, Marcos did really kill the market today. My neighbor is cutting the grass, so I'm gonna have to close the window because it's super loud. Yeah, TopStep X has that feature. You can lock yourself out, and that way you can prevent yourself from overtrading. So that's a good thing. But you can still do the same too with Rhythmic. So if you open Rhythmic Trader, you can set your daily limit as well, and it's going to close down the trades for you. So you can do the same thing. If you choose Rhythmic, like if you want to go with Quant Hour or Ninja Trader, yeah, Rhythmic Trader. If you open Rhythmic Trader, there's a I don't know what's the exact name, but it's, I don't know. Let me check it. Account liquidation threshold, whatever, I don't know. Something like that. I try to, let me search for it. I don't want to log out from, I don't want to log into Rhythmic, because if I log into Rhythmic, then there is a, I'm searching for it. There is an option. Actually, there is a video too. So Google is your friend, you know. I just, you know, went into the search. So check out this link. It might be a little bit long, but oh yeah, you can't. But for example, let me. That was a year ago, and I know I have another one here. Also a year ago, May, September. So I'm gonna show you, like, there's two videos for that. One here, and there should be another one. Yeah. And that's the other one. Just a second. And that's the other one. So on both of these videos, it shows you how to set your daily loss limit in Rhythmic. So there you have it. It's the same like having it on TopStep. Look at that. We're going down to 03. Let's see. Are we going to go down? Seems like only 10 points away. It's pretty close, but pretty risky too. But so far, it could go down into this area. Maybe some repricing all the way down. I don't know. Yeah. No, you're welcome. No, it's you check out the videos. Imbalance in the market offers at the moment so much, would expect melting. Yeah, 185 could be. So let me go to the 5 minute. As you see, the 1 hour fair value gap is pretty close. I think it should be going down. The question is it going to straight go down? I think it will, or is it going to spike higher? Marcus is going to buy just before the market open. Yeah, Komodo, FOMC, but the market is going to be closed, so nobody cares about it. I mean, because of the 4th of July, so Yeah, Jan, it could work out. You guys can hear how my neighbor is cutting the grass. It's actually the second time this week, so he's on schedule. 3 times a week is the minimum when he cuts the grass. That's the minimum. 3 times a week. No, it's not. It's not, baby trader. He has, I think he has some issue. I mean, hopefully positive way. But he's cutting the grass. I can actually have a journal for that. But every week, 3 times he's cutting the grass. 3 times. I'm not joking. This is no joke, guys. I'm saying this absolutely seriously. This guy, my neighbor, is cutting the grass 3 times a week. And it's a very, very, very small garden. Very small garden. He's doing it 3 times a week. And this is his second time, and it's only Wednesday. It was Monday, so once Monday. Today the second time. So he has to do it once at least until Friday. So, yeah. You have 10 evaluation accounts that failed on open because they ticked out the limit. Oh. Yeah, that could happen. But there's some mechanical error. The lawnmower just stopped. Does trading drawdown and really make a difference in risking 100 per trade on a 50k account? Well, you know, the intraday trailing drawdown doesn't really matter if you risk 100 on a trade. So that's why I say, because I'm also trading very small size, especially on a funded account. If you're going with super small size, then you should not be concerned if it's intraday trailing. And actually, you know, it locks in after you reach the threshold, the safety threshold. It's going to lock in, so it turns into a static account technically. So I don't care about that. I'm also risking about $100 on each trade. It doesn't really make a difference. It's only matters if you're risking a little bit more, especially on the evaluation accounts. So if you risk like $500 or $800 on a trade, then it could matter somewhat. But end of day, yeah. Let's buy him a few evals teaching to trade. Yeah, grass cutting might go away. Oh, let me check. I haven't checked my email. I haven't checked my email. I don't have your email. I'm gonna check in the spam folder, but it's not there. No, I don't have it. Oh, yeah, I mean, I have one from earlier, if that's what you're asking. I have one from earlier. This is what Marcos have sent. So very good. This was his trade in London. Very nice trade. Way good targets. Patiently waiting. Yeah. When is 90% coming back and be like, I don't know. I have no idea. I wish I would know, but for now it's gonna be 83% only. 83%, but you know, hopefully they will do something again. No, I'm not the best, but thank you for the compliment. I am far from the best, but at least, and I'm very glad about it, slowly, real slowly, I'm making small progress with my funded accounts. I really want to get to those payouts, but I'm not going to force it. I'm going to be very patient. If I want to go crazy, I'll do it on evaluation accounts, but and I do have to write out the July stream stats. I had 1 winner yesterday and 2 losses and 1 break even. I have it all noted down. on the stream. Off stream, I had one more stop loss, unfortunately. But I was really hoping that gold will fall, but I think only market open will tell us. We have news. Yeah, 10 a.m. news will be the last one to go with. And the only thing we're left with right now is basically the market open. Nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else. But look at the 1 hour. It's so close to get down to that 1 hour fair value gap. It's very, very close. And it's actually unmitigated. So price has not been here before. And it's very, very close. It's like 10 points. Super easy, right? Super easy. I would be scared to go for it now, but it's super easy. That I can tell you. If you now see a double bottom, I go long. Let's go. Let's go, Marcus. Actually, the high here is 0375. Let's see if it wants to take it or not. It's close. Very close, actually. Is it gonna take it? Could be risky. Could be risky. To go for it, but let's see. It's holding. Maybe we have to wait until the market open. For now, this is just a waiting game. But I would be very careful to do anything. Yeah, we're waiting. We are definitely just waiting here. Look at that. The market open can be a little bit crazy, so also be careful with that. Not gonna do anything with the market open. I mean, definitely if I see a position, I'll be up for it, but nothing else. Gold actually, I mean, made a new high. I don't know how far it wants to go still. On the 1 minute, it shifted lower. Looks great. But on the 5 minute, no idea. If you would enter here and target these lows down there, well, the risk to reward would be still great, but you know. Yeah. I would love to see it go down to 23.52, 23.52.3. Yeah, that's a good area. I'd like to see that happening. But who knows? Like these levels down there. Well, let's focus on NQ. Actually, I'm short on gold. I'm short on gold with micros. 41. Yeah. Not risking too much, only about $100. So I'm short. Magic number is 200, yeah. Yeah, it's still possible. Of course, it's possible to fail. Tom forgot to ask if I pass 2 accounts on BuleNox and want to trade 1 account. Can I pay activation only for the first? I will be trading and I pause. Yeah, so at BuleNox you can do like you activate 1 account, but the other account is going to stay in an evaluation phase. So for example, if you have a cheap price for that evaluation account, for example, $17 or $18, you can keep the subscription for as long as you want it, but make sure to, you know, flip the account once or twice with micro just to make sure it's not going to get deactivated. So just keep the account, and when you're ready, you can activate it, right? So at BuleNox, it works differently. You are the trader who tells BuleNox that I want to activate the account if the criteria has been met. So you can have the subscription as long as you want it, just pay the monthly fee. And if you want to, you can activate it. The activation, you have to request the activation. So you can do that. That's also a good thing. I see gold going even higher. Yeah, that could happen, Marcos. Unfortunately, yes. For now, it's going down, but yeah, that can happen. That can absolutely happen. Yeah, anyway, I'm in a gold short. Let me show you guys. MGC. I have to go to MyFundedFutures. MyFundedFutures. MGC. Okay, so this is my gold trade for now. Nothing special. Only micros, so yeah. Really nothing special. Let's see how it goes. Hey, Kojak. Baskina ne Congo. Good morning. Is it possible to trade on BuleNox evaluation accounts and PA at once? Of course. You just have to use a trade copier. For example, on Quantower, the trade copier is free. So, of course, you can trade at the same time. The trade copier is free on Quantower if you use it at the same prop firm accounts. So yes, absolutely, it's possible. Absolutely. Oh, sorry, PA accounts. Damn it. PA. So you mean Apex PA accounts? You can still do it, but you have to pay for the advanced features, $30 per month, and you can absolutely trade it at the same trade copier. So basically, the answer is still the same, but you have to pay for the advanced features, which is the multiple connection, basically. So you can connect to multiple prop firms at the same time, and that's it. It's very simple. It's super simple, actually. I'm trying to refresh my MyFundedFutures challenge account phase, because I've been noticed by email that the official launch of the $80 starter account is today, but they still did not update the website. So still no updates yet. Yeah, of course you can. Yes, you can use Quantower. Because if you go with NinjaTrader, sorry, a Rhythmic connection, then you can connect with Quantower. Yes. After passing, you still pay for the subscription on the account. I want to you have to pay for the evaluation account as long as you're not activating it for being funded. So you still have to pay the monthly evaluation fee. If you pass the profit target, as long as you're not activating it, you have to pay the monthly fee. There's no way around. But yeah, that's how it goes. That's why I said if you have a very cheap evaluation account for $17 or $18, then you can still keep it for 1 or 2 months if you want to, and that is still cheaper than paying $148. And until then, you will have some time to get used to it and such. But yeah, the lawnmower has started again. It's started again. But don't forget, Apex still has the sale for the big accounts, $40 for the big accounts, and $85 activation fee. That's still very good. That's the cheapest in the market for big accounts. So, and of course, Apex gives you 20% additionally from the current price for registration. Anyway, let's wait and see. I hate holidays. Me too, Black Beauty Machine. Good to see you. I hate holidays as well. It's just, you know, I just put out the other day for my Twitter this picture I found also on another trader's profile. Like, you know, this is me waiting. This is me waiting for the holidays to end. Or I could say that this is me waiting for the weekend to end and get back to trading. That's it. Me waiting to end the holidays. This is gonna be me tomorrow, guys. Yeah. So, yeah. The drugstore of trade, yeah. By the way, the mustache is cool. I think this actor nailed it on Pablo Escobar. Although he wasn't always wearing a mustache, but here I think he actually nailed the character very good. I do like the series. I think the first season is the best and the second one is good too. But yeah, Plata o Plomo. That scene when they got through the bridge, when they go on the bridge on the first episode of season 1, I think it's the first episode, when he's asking the soldiers, Plata o Plomo, and he says, my name is Pablo Escobar Gaviria, or I don't even know, and I'm gonna be the next president of the country. I said, all right, this guy really knows something. Can we open lots of a bit today? Of course, you can do whatever you want. And by the way, I love that series. I loved when they were speaking Spanish. It was Spanish, right? They speak Spanish dialect in Venezuela, and not just Venezuela, Colombia, and Mexico. They speak Mexican, right? I don't know. I'm not really good in these things. And now he started the hedge trimmer. So that's even louder. Good. He's rocking it. He's really rocking it. The actor is Brazilian, but the series is Colombian, yeah. I read somewhere that the actor was taking lessons to have the perfect dialect, the perfect Colombian dialect. At least that's what he said in a report, that he was taking a lot of lessons, language lessons, to speak as a native Colombian. But I was always enjoying hearing that you know, when they were talking. It was awesome. Not gonna lie, it's one of my favorite series. I have many TV shows that I like, but it's one of my favorites. Narcos. It's great. I think the actor who played Pablo Escobar is... I hope he got some awards because he deserves it. He absolutely deserves it. Just fill his leaf blower with water and some peace and quiet. I think I have to close my windows, guys, because I think the guy is on full tilt right now. So I have to do something about it. All right. Had to close the window. The guy went full tilt. I'm watching the series about NASA on Apple TV. Oh, really? I heard that there's going to be a movie. I think I saw an intro or trailer about the moon landing, that how they tried to fake it. They have Scarlett Johansson and some other names, big names in the movie, that they actually shoot a fake landing as well in Stanley Kubrick Studios when they were shooting the Space Odyssey, 2001 Space Odyssey. Hey, Dominic. Tom Riddle. Tom Riddle? Who's Tom Riddle? I hope I'm not. I don't know who that is, but maybe me. Snowfall also good. Nice. I think it's called Fly Me to the Moon. That's what it's gonna called. Lord Voldemort. I know who it is. Oh. I hope I'm not dead. Anyway. We're still waiting for market to open. I don't really trust gold currently. But, you know. Let's hope something will happen, something positive. profit wise. By the way, if you guys can, it's free to do. Please help me out and push the like button and subscribe to the channel. We are going to have giveaways, by the way, on Thursday or Friday. I think it's going to be Friday, maybe. I don't know. I am waiting for the go-ahead from MyFundedFutures. 3 MyFundedFutures starter account on live stream. So make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications. We'll do it on New York session. So I'm just not sure. It might be going to be on Friday. Maybe we do one on Monday too. I don't know. But 3 starter accounts from MyFundedFutures. It's going to be super simple. We're just going to pick the winner from the chat. And it's going to be awesome, right? Why not? Why not? And it's sponsored by MyFundedFutures. Fly me to the moon. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. All right, still waiting. I don't like this gold short now. Let's check it closer on the 5-minute. I wanted to see this go lower, but seems like gold is unstoppable now. No retracement. We might gonna go higher. Considering to close it at break even. Yeah, it's going up. Damn it. No stopping gold here. It's just going up. I'm definitely offside today on gold. I was so sure that these shorts can play out good. All right, I'm closing out my trade. I closed it out. I'm flat. Closed out my trade on gold. Break even. I'm flat. No trade. No joy. Closed it out. It's gonna go higher. I have no orders, as you can see. Closed it. Don't trust gold today. Just keeps going higher, keeps going higher. Can you advise are 25k accounts bad? Absolutely okay. 25k is okay as long as you keep trading small. I was having a 25k account. Unfortunately, I blew it up. I had a funded account with Apex, 25k. I was rage trading and I blew it up. But you know, if you're really going small, like $100 per trade on a funded level, you should be absolutely fine with it. Absolutely. Yeah, Apex doesn't have daily limits, so yeah, good question, Dominic. If you have no daily limit like at Apex, then you're okay. Yeah, then you're all right. I have to open the window. No air. He's just not stopping. The neighbor is not stopping. Yeah, I personally like the 50Ks. I think they're all right. Excuse me. Gold is going higher. That's a scientific fact now. 10 contracts at a time and also have 5 ticks. Yeah. Risk versus loss. And look at just that. NQ is still hovering above this level. It should be. I thought it has already taken out that level, but it didn't. It's just up there. Fly me to the moon. Jesus, it's so loud. I just can't trade like this. I'm gonna mute the microphone when I'm not speaking. Finally, he turned it off, but I think it's not final. All right. Getting closer to the open. You reached your daily goal. All right. Well, it's time to walk away then. Yeah. Hope to see you next time. Until tomorrow. Thanks for joining, Jackson. Thank you. Okay, so gold is up there. Seems like reaching higher. Still 15 minutes and 45 minutes until the news. So this is gonna be super boring, guys, but we'll try our best. Oh no, it started again. No, Martin, I was thinking to trade EURX, but I did not subscribe for it on Apex yet. But no, I'm not trading it. I can't hear the garden machine. Well, he just started it off, so He'll be right here below my window. Oh, look at that. NQ going higher. Yeah, the Jets in the morning, the neighbor. Oh yeah. And we have a dog, a big one, which is barking like crazy. So I gotta tell you guys, and it's really, I don't want to complain that much, but I do live in a noisy environment for trading. It's not ideal. The only, I mean, it's really ridiculous because, you know, the fighter jets, it's all right, I can take them. But the neighbor cutting the grass 3 times a week, it's definitely too much for me to take. And the problem is that it's right below my window. Unbearable. Yeah, I think I have to. I have to buy some sound cancelling foam or something. I need to. I think I will, because this is ridiculous. It also looks great, yeah. I know I saw some streamers with the sound cancelling foam, and it actually is cool. It's like you're in a spaceship or something. Oh yeah. I actually have some plans. I mean, I want to upgrade my computer, not now, but maybe during the end of the year or something. Maybe it's gonna be my treat for myself for Christmas or whatever. But I want to upgrade my computer, and I want to upgrade my desk here in the corner. I have a corner desk. And the sound cancelling foam is also good. I was also thinking should I have a green screen or not? But then I decided I might gonna go without a green screen because there's not too much space behind me. I have a couch behind me. So, yeah. I don't have the Lambo or the McLaren behind me, but when I will have those, actually I'm going to have the BMW M8, then I'm going to be streaming from my garage downstairs, so, and it will be in the background. I'm only using 2 screens. I had 3, but I'm actually good with 2 for now. I know I could be having like 8. That's also a very good idea. Currently, I'm doing great with 2. I like simplicity. I'm a dinosaur, so I go with 2 screens. You have an intelligent microphone there, it knows. Well, this microphone, this was a super intelligent microphone. It cost me $17. It was a $17 microphone. And it works great. It does the job. It does the job perfectly. Yeah, I have a third monitor too, by the way. It's unplugged. I have a third monitor. I put it to the left and right in front of the window, and it was a little bit uncomfortable. Jacqueline just bought Rhythmic account. Can't log in. You have to open Rhythmic Trader Pro and you have to accept the data. There is a window when you first log in, Jacqueline, and you have to accept. You have to do the check mark with the data subscription, whatever, and you have to accept it, and then, you know, just close Rhythmic Trader you have to close it and then log in with NinjaTrader or Quant Tower. So you can't be logged in with 2 instances at a time. So close Rhythmic, and yeah, or log in through log in through PC. I mean, you can log in on the web browser if that's what you're saying. Yeah, try that. Or if it's not showing you up the data, then reinstall Rhythmic, because it happened to me too. Now the dog is barking. Unbelievable. All right, we're going down. Nice. Or not. Maybe we go, maybe we not. Oh, now it started again. What's the level here? 04. It's not far, actually. Market open is close. Should go down. You know. Take that level. Let's see what it does. Your targets. Yeah, I see your targets there, Dominic. That's cool. Nice targets. I'm sorry, I always my notifications are not on my Discord, but yeah. Magnetics or gravity. Who knows? Who knows? Well, anyway, for now it seems like, what was the level again? It was 04. I think it was 04. Oh, 475 or something, I don't know. Let's see if it takes it before the market open, or it's gonna hang around here. It's definitely close, so. Might not going to take it. Might gonna have to wait. Look at that. Repricing the 1 minute. Not ready yet. Still not ready yet. So just be careful with these levels. Market is open at about less than 5 minutes. Jesus, it's so loud. It's very bad, guys. It's super loud. Gold is still there. You can go either way, I guess. Anyway, let's see what it does. We still have like less than 4 minutes. Is it gonna go? Or is it not? It's getting close. Maybe not close enough. But it's getting there. It was almost there. Oh, it's not going for it. It's just hovering there, but you know, the market open should be pushing it down. Yeah, ready. Will go down, but it will be a discount. Yeah. It might even it might even won't go down. You know, it doesn't necessarily have to go down. It can just shoot straight up from here. Easily. Super easy. Still some time to do that. Let's see if it wants it or not. Maybe not. Less than 2 minutes. So buy limit at 160. That's a little bit lower. Do you think it will go down there, Marcus? I don't know. Seems a little bit low to me, but I might be wrong. I've been wrong before many times, but that seems a little bit low to me. But it's pretty much built up a nice structure here. Oh my god. Yeah, it's still bullish. Looks bullish. Alright, market is about to open in 30 seconds. Let's see what it does. Don't do anything crazy. If it goes down, it goes down. If not, then we can still shoot up and maybe change structure. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Seems like some kind of a delay here at the open. Bit crazy there. Nothing special. Wicked up. Doesn't look like it want to go high to the lows for now. Actually, it looks extremely bullish. Yeah, it's bullish. It is bullish for sure. But where can it go? I wonder. Can it go straight up? I guess it can. Maybe squeeze everybody out to that swing high. It can do that. Super easy. If it wants to. Not sure. So be careful. Just be careful. Seems like it wants to go, but maybe not. No. Maybe not. Good morning, Fritz. Let's start the rocket. Entered at 210. All right, let's see. I'm just wondering if this one is gonna stay bullish, and it took out this high. Are we ready to come back down? I'm gonna put a line on the 1 hour fair value gap just to follow this move. I'm gonna follow this right there. Okay, and let's go back to the 5. Look at this, still moving higher. Could be breaking through this area. I'm not jumping in. No way. No way I'm jumping into this one. $60. It took out the 60s again, then going down. The 1 hour gap is still below. Gold is up there. What is ES doing? ES trying to make new highs. NQ could follow. But on the 1 minute, I don't know. I'm watching it, but and you're out. All right. Long confirmed. All right. Marcus, what do you think as targets? Are we going to break that London high? Could that be the target? I'm just wondering. Is that going to be the level that we're looking for? I'm afraid to jump here, Marcus, because I know you're heavyweight and you like to go in, but for me it's a little bit, you know, the market open is always a little bit crazy for me. 310. That's what Marcus is saying. All right, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. 310. I wonder what makes you say that. 310. Okay. We do have some levels there. But maybe on the 1 hour? Yeah, we do. Anyway, let's wait for this. Let's see where it wants to go. It just created a bullish order block, so it can also go back down to revisit that. I'm gonna wait for my entry, and I'm still watching gold, what it does, what it wants to do. I like these levels here as possible swing levels to the downside, but gold is still bullish, and this one just dropped lower. No structure shifts so far, so this is still bullish. Bouncing maybe on the VWAP. Careful, guys. We still have news in 24 minutes. So it could be just, you know, in this range. It could be just staying in this range. I hope I don't have any orders. I don't. All right. It always scares me to have orders. We still have that 1 hour gap. Sorry. I don't like it very much. I'll wait. Yeah. I think everybody wants to wait for the news this morning. So let's wait this one out. Better to wait. You know how it is. It's just better to wait. I don't even know what the news were. So unemployment claims were higher than expected. That's actually a good mixed data. As much as I see, it's a little bit mixed. Okay. Services PMI number, diffusion index, blah blah blah. Okay, a little bit mixed data. I'm gonna be watching gold as well. You know, just for fun. Why not? And try to do something good with it. As for now, we're stuck. ES is stuck as well. It's not a bullish order block here, but almost took out the high. Could this be a bearish SMT going on? It could, I guess. I'm a little bit more bearish at this second. Bearish. The bearish SMT meaning is a bearish smart money technique, but it's a very stupid acronym. But actually, it means that, for example, in this case, if ES makes a new high, for example here, but it didn't. But if ES would make a new high, while NQ is not making a new high, then usually the weaker market, which in this case is going to be NQ, can basically start to go down, right? So basically that's it in a nutshell, in a very, very, very nutshell. But there's a like tons of videos online about the SMT entries. So that's it. ES takes out the high, while NQ is not able to take out the high, and NQ starts to fall. And then ES follows as well, but it's gonna be the one that's gonna start to fall harder. So yeah, Nasdaq needs discount, I think. Yeah, or might want to go down into that fair value gap down there. I'm gonna wait. Let's wait. I'm scared to jump into a long position here. Gold is taking new highs, I see. Not a surprise. Not a surprise, but this time it's gonna go. This time it should go. Should be taking out those highs. Anyway. All right, NQ still hovering here. Let's see what it makes on the 1 minute chart. It's just consolidating. Everybody's gonna wait for the 10 a.m. news, guys. Everyone. So be careful. ES is not going higher, so didn't take the highs. Okay. It's a coin flip. It's a coin flip, guys. It's a coin flip. I have to open the window again. Hopefully they're gone. Okay. Need some fresh air. Gold is shooting higher. Unstoppable gold today. Unstoppable. I guess I could have expected this. Will go higher. Yeah, nothing is moving. Pretty much just in one place. Hey, Wido, hello again. Are there news just now? The news are gonna come out at 10 a.m. ISM services PMI, so it's 16 minutes, less than 16 minutes, actually. And that's also a problem with news, because it actually restricts you from entering into a good position. And it's annoying sometimes. It is. Fly me to the moon. Da, 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 da. Anyway. Have to wait. How many times I keep repeating that? Just waiting, waiting. And just keep on waiting. Komodo is holding a sell on YM. All right. And Rottable, hey, do platforms all pay you the same commissions? No. I mean, most likely it depends on the viewers who are percentage wise. Yeah, like 10%, 12%. That's pretty much the standard. I don't even know which one is how much is paying. So both Apex, MyFunded Futures, Take Profit Trader, I think 10%. That's it. So the same percentage. Buleanox also. So for example, if someone buys a Buleanox account with the discount, which is sometimes, you know, $17, $18, I get $1.80 or $2 commission. But for example, if someone would choose to go with the MyFunded Futures expert account, that is $15 for me, which is great, and I'm very thankful. Depends on which type of accounts are people choosing, but usually the percentage is the same. All right, what else is here? It's strange that NQ actually left that gap open down there. It left it open. Hmm. "12 minutes until news." By the way, Take Profit Trader has waved goodbye to the activation fees too, so check them out. No activation fee at Take Profit Trader. The only thing you have to be careful with is if you breach your daily loss limit, that's a hard breach, so you can blow the whole account. So, you know, just be careful with that. What is the update on your friend who has lost 60? Well, I did not speak with him a few weeks ago because obviously he had some issues to make money. So I know that he bought a few more challenges, and he told me that now he has lost some. So this money was actually, I didn't know, I thought he has more, but he said it was a significant amount to him. And he said he has to make some business to make some money. But he's not giving up. He's trading with FTMO and Funded Next. He switched from futures completely to FTMO and Funded Next. That's what he told me. And he's doing the two-phase challenges. But he always goes for the biggest accounts. So he goes for 200K, 300K accounts. And so far, all I know is that he's trying that. But he didn't call me yet that he made some payout. So I'm guessing he didn't. But, you know, that's a sad story. I told him many times not to do it, but you know, if $60,000 is for him is worth it, well, it's a little bit expensive tuition, but it's up to you. It's up to the person, I guess. It's up to everybody's standards. 60K is a lot, yeah. But you know, the 60K is spent, like he bought a few MyFunded Future challenges or evaluations too, And he told me that he likes the static accounts better. So he spent 90% of his money on FTMO and funded next. So you can imagine that one account, the biggest account at FTMO and funded next, are like $800 or $700, whatever. I don't even know how much. And you know, there was some day when he spent like $10,000 on a single day on FTMO accounts. $10,000 on one single day on FTMO accounts. So what can I say? I don't know what to say. He's definitely YOLOing it. He's gambling it. He received emails from Funded Next. He told me that he was reduced. The leverage. No, he's not. He's not rich. They reduced their his leverage down to 1 to 30 or 1 to 20. I don't even know. From 1 to 100. They reduced his leverage because he's trading like a gambler. They didn't ban him, but they reduced his leverage. He's not really my closest friend, but you're true. Komodo, that's true. But I'm not telling his name. I'm not telling who exactly he is, but he's not my closest friend. I just know him. He's an okay guy. He's an okay person. He has a business to run. But he's not a close friend of mine. I just know him. I just said this story because it takes some takeaway for you guys. But yeah, I understand. I think if he should have traded his own capital, that would have been even more sad. But anyway, let's jump forward, you know. Let's leave him be because, yeah, that's true what Komodo says. I should not be talking about him. Just, you know, take away something from that. I'm a bad person for talking about him. Let's see what's going on. All right. Anyway, every man for himself. We'll learn. You can buy it. Exactly. We have our own. Yeah. Yeah. Every man for himself. That's true. News in less than 5 minutes, and hopefully in the silver bullet hour we will have something to go with. But for now, not much is happening. On gold, we have a possible shift lower. I just don't know what to think of gold anymore. Should I even care about gold trade anymore? Today, that is. Don't know. Should I even care? You know, if I would enter here, I don't know. It's not my type of trade, but anyway, let's just wait. Just a few minutes. So why not? All right, NQ is pushing. Look at that. NQ made the push. ES also made the push, so who knows? Might gonna be a huge rally. Up to 371, making a new all-time high. It's only like 100 points away. It could be happening if that's the case. Nasdaq is super bullish, unstoppably bullish. Let's go with that, right? All right. You're risking 1 to make 0.5. Hey, that is good. You know, that is... Don't worry. Listen, there are traders out there who are having a negative risk to reward ratio and they're killing the market. It's not mandatory. Then you have to work on your win ratio to be much higher. And that's it. That's how simple. Going straight up, yeah, nothing is stopping NQ. It's like, it's an unstoppable. I mean, I can imagine that even a super bad news can hit the market. NQ is just gonna keep on going. I mean, let's check for Nvidia here. What is Nvidia doing? Nvidia is just going sideways. But anyway, nothing is stopping Nasdaq. What the hell is going on? Nobody knows. Anyway, news in less than 1 minute. News in less than 1 minute. Push the like button, guys, and subscribe. Come on. Everybody has hundreds and thousands of viewers. I'm just struggling here. No, I'm fine. I'm cool. I'm absolutely fine. Keep it calm. Take the chill pill, you know. Yeah. And now that the lawnmower is stopped, Tom Cruise and friends are flying over the house again. Not ideal. Whoa, what just happened on gold? Spiked higher quite a bit. What a move. Yeah. That was the news. That was the real news right there. Hey, yeah, look at that. Wow, Jesus. Okay. Gold went higher. So I guess this was the final number that everybody was waiting. Let me check on... what was the drop here? 91. Now that's a healthy 50 points drop. Gold went higher. That's all right. What does ES did? Wicked both ways. Okay. NQ going back up again. Actually, everything still looks bullish. Gold 2380. Do you think so? Are we going to 2380? What's that level? 2380. We do have an order block up there. Oh yeah, I see that. Wow, can actually go. It can actually go, but what about NQ? Damn, I have to watch out for gold. It can still go to 28.8, 20, 380. Go inside that order block. All right, never mind. Zoom back there. And if we go to 80, well, that's going to be quite a surprise, I must say. Which one is this? 46. Let me see. Yeah, we could go there. This was a sharp spike, to say the least. I wonder if gold is really wants to go up there. To the order block. Because there is one order block up there. I just don't know if it really wants to go. NQ is still in this area. Watching NQ. Pretty much sideways. Let's wait some more. But yeah, gold is going up. Seems like it. Made $80. Hey, that is awesome. Dude, $80 is great. $80 is good. Heartbeat that beat you out. Oh yeah. I advise you push-ups. All right. Marcos, I need your advice on Nasdaq. I need your advice on that. But actually, you're right. Gold is just pushing it. Look at gold. I need your advice on Nasdaq. What is Nasdaq? Are we going to see this level down there? This 1 hour gap, I wonder. Yep. Both on Nasdaq. Okay, but what about Nasdaq? Come on, tell me. I'm curious. I have no entry here, especially after this this move here. Just don't like it. going lower. I still don't have a trade on, guys. I didn't take a trade. The one that I took was at break even on gold. It was a break even trade. Nasdaq is too much of a drunk card. Yeah. Yeah, Nasdaq is not that strong right now, right? Still like this level down there. Didn't go for the 1 hour gap. Like to see some shorts, but first we have to go below the midnight level, I guess. Not mandatory, but yeah. Some weakening could be happening finally. Finally in Nasdaq. Need to arrive 170. Oh yeah, that would be great. Finally log into Rhythmic Trader, but can't log into Quant Tower. Close Rhythmic Trader. Close down Rhythmic Trader completely and try to log in again. Should be working. A Jupiter and Mars. In other words, please be true. In other words, you have to close the Rhythmic Trader completely, log out or whatever. Just close Rhythmic and try to log into Quant Tower and, you know, add your Rhythmic connection information, like you have it on your dashboard. If you log in, your username, password, choose Rhythmic paper trading Chicago area, log in, boom, and you should be able to log in with Quant Tower. Yeah, I don't want to short on NQ right now. It's super risky, and I don't like gold as well at its current state. Yeah, it's just, look at this. It's just, you know, still consolidating. ES going sideways. Sorry, yeah, ES is sideways. NQ is sideways. One thing though that is interesting, we have these relative equal lows, these wicks down there at midnight level. Now that's interesting. That is interesting. Oh, Jesus. This is a pure gamble to enter here on Nasdaq, and gold is pushing. Look at that. We're going for the 80s. It seems like it. On the 1 minute, it's still going sideways, but I fear it's going for the 80s. That order block. But gold is tricky. I'm not doing. Oh, look at that now. Maybe. As this is terrible. Terrible price action. Absolutely terrible. Not my favorite, that's for sure. This is like, look at this. In the past 1 hour, we're basically just ranging. We had the news candle shaking the market a little bit, and we're just still ranging. Maybe the whole market just lost interest to continue to trade in this environment right now. Nevertheless, I'm still going to wait for a possible short, maybe, to go back to that fair value gap. At the moment, you're short, Marcos. All right, let's go. Fingers crossed. Hoping the best for you. I'm not in a trade. Look at that. Now it's pushing higher again. It's pushing higher. Also gold 2. ES as well. If I look at it closer, it did shift higher this 1 minute, but on the 5 minute it's basically still in the range. How far is that? It's like 10 points. I could be taking it out. It would be a risky long position from here. You know, it would be definitely a risky one. Yeah, so just be careful. And Apex lost connection again. I don't know why it does that. Still want to push it again. Feels like it wants to take out that level, but I have no confirmation. You know. So I'm not pushing it. I'm not entering. Not even for a scalp. As much as I would like to, I just can't. At this point, I just can't. But I feel like it's gonna go higher and take that out, take that level out, which is fine. We're gonna have the next setup in time. Trade with BULENOX, and I have been lost almost 5 PA accounts. Is BULENOX a good? Yeah, it absolutely is. It's a good prop firm. It's a good prop firm. I can tell you that. I'm sorry you lost those accounts. I know it sucks. It feels bad, but I would say prop firm so far, as prop firm wise goes, BULENOX is pretty good, pretty solid. No issue with support payouts, whatever. I did not have a payout with them, of course. Methodical Man and others have, and more people. I'm building my accounts up. I'm very hopeful that I will reach the payout soon, but they're fine. They're absolutely okay. Vera, you lost 30 masters. Oh my god. At least I hope you learn from those. I'm only trading, like, with all seriousness, I mean seriously, I'm trading about 2 years, but I was trading before that, but not with prop firms, with my own money, and I was gambling like an idiot with Forex. And but since I'm taking it super serious, it's a little bit more than 2 years, but yeah. First payouts came last year from TOPSTEP, and now I'm fighting again because I blown up all my accounts in March, and that was a real emotional struggle for me. I was copy trading everything, and I've blown up everything in March, and it took a toll on me emotionally, and it got me confused. I was strategy hopping. I mean, I was not strategy hopping. The same thing. I was staying with my own, with my entry model, but that really got me confused. Well, I lost 2 FTMO accounts. I lost my Forex funds accounts, which was funded. I lost 2 FTMO accounts. I lost at least 4 or 5 Apex funded accounts without payout. I lost like 5 TOPSTEP Express funded accounts, but I had payouts from them. I lost about 2 or 3 BULENOX funded accounts. I think 3. I lost a MyFundedFutures funded account. So quite a lot. Well, it's nothing special really, but you're welcome. Is price for FOMC? Markets are gonna be closed, Komodo. Markets are gonna be closed at FOMC, so I don't think the market cares about FOMC now. How you lost them? Overtraded. Yes, exactly. I got too emotional. I couldn't handle the loss, and you know, if I would have stopped in a certain level, I could have survived it, but I just couldn't handle the loss. I couldn't. It was, anyway, when I lost all my funded accounts, I had a few funded accounts in March, and I lost them all in one day. And after that, for a few days, I was like a zombie. I was like an absolute zombie. I was streaming as well, but otherwise I was a zombie. I couldn't think. I threw out a lot of work on the window. I was almost crying, actually. It was terrible. It was almost physical pain. So honestly, guys, I made a video in January. I took $4,300 payout from TOPSTEP from October till the end of December. I took $350 payout again in February from TOPSTEP and $500 from MyFundedFutures, and that's all. And then I've blown everything. Boom, it's over, and here I am. We're all on the same team. Yeah. So that's why I'm saying, being here full time, I'm not making, unfortunately, I'm not affording this from the trading profits. If there would be no affiliate commissions from you guys by using my codes and links, I could not be here every day. Honestly, I could not be here doing this full time every day without the affiliate commissions, and I never made a secret about this. So, but the goal is to change that. The goal is to finally get some constant payouts. Oh, thank you, RP Media, thank you so much. So I can still go back to work to the company I was working for. It's an insurance company, and they are welcome me back anytime if I want to. But you know, oh yeah, that's it. It's just, it's up there somewhere. Yeah, so I could go back if I wanted to work, but I said if I can build a good community and some good support with some very good people on the stream, then I want to do this. I want to be here and able to get. I want to show that yes, if you put in the patience, and not necessarily by blowing away 400 evaluation accounts, but really put in the patience and you know, the strategy, the entry model, and learn and be disciplined, then you can get to those payouts. For some people it takes a few months, for some people it takes years. It's different, but it's a journey, right? That's why we're here. It's a journey. Is it to be and lost 2 take profit trade values? Oh, come on, man. Oh, thank you, Trading Star. Hey, listen, take profit trader is good, but make sure to you know, watch for that daily loss limit, because that's the only big negative thing with take profit trader. I don't care about the intraday trailing in the funded phase, it's fine, but careful with the intraday, I mean the daily stop out level. Careful, because you know, I suggest you can request from Apex your custom. I sent them 7 emails for the custom code and no reply. I see some new streamers popping up and they have custom codes and I don't have a custom code. I sent 7 emails to them and no reply from them. No reply. I replied to recent ticket, I opened up new ticket, and nothing. Anyway, you must get a buddy girlfriend to reduce the stress. I have the best girlfriend, fiance in the world. I love her dearly, and I'm very grateful to God and the universe to have her. So she supports me, and I'm very grateful. Exactly. I'm currently trying to fund 3 band. Oh, there you go. Badass Latinas. All right. Hold on a second, guys. I have to check on this drop here on Nasdaq. Are we gonna go down a little bit? I'm wondering. Maybe not, but you know, what if we are? Seems like we could, but you know, don't bet on it. Not so sure, but all right. I just made almost $200 on one of my funded accounts by scalping this drop. I'm gonna show you guys. This is a Buleanox funded account. Started the day $52,084, and now I'm up $52,268. So how much is that? $180 ish. That's fine. I'm happy. If I make $180 on a funded account, that is awesome. I'm switching to the next account, and on my other funded account, I'm going to show you too. Here's what I made. This is another funded account. Started the day 52,114. I'm up to 52,246. But there's still a lot to go. But I'm not touching these. These accounts are absolutely okay for today. I'm not gonna put any more trades on it. And I have an Apex account. I made a little bit of profit today, funded account, but it's a new one. $539 up to $619 on a Apex funded account. As you can see, it's number 5, so I already lost like 4 accounts funded on Apex. And I have a funded account with TopStep too. Look at what it says. It says December, Express December. I have this account since December. The reason is I was up $2,500 on this one and I lost a lot. So I'm trying to slowly, I'm not even trading this one today. I made like $10, but I don't feel that I want to trade this one today. But anyway, I'm trying to work on it. So guys, I always said I'm taking tiny little baby steps forward to the payout. If I make $100 on a funded account or $200, whatever, I'm not pushing it to $1,000 or I'm moving to the next account. That's how I'm building up baby steps. Maybe it's going to take me 2 months to get the payout, but listen to this. If you reach the payout, then the next step after that is just make another $1,000. So not $3,000, whatever, just one more thousand. So eventually, if I pull up all these funded accounts, I should be trading separately like 3-4 funded accounts at least or more. And I have to work only $1,000 on each of them, $1,000, and these payouts should be coming in finally. Anyway, that's what I need. Badass Latinas. That's what you need. I can trade. I can read price action good, but I cannot help it. Yeah, that's the problem for me too. The over trading, that is a huge problem. It's a huge problem for me too. No, I'm not a bachelor, Komodo, but I have a fiance. We've been together since a few years, and yeah, she's very nice to me, and she's supporting my journey. Right now she's at home all day today, and she's gonna be at home all summer, guys, because she's a teacher in an elementary school, and it's a summer vacation time, you know. And she's cooking lunch for me and everything. So I'm basically, I'm absolutely fine here. Thank you, Rob. So I'm waiting here. I think we should be going down to that midnight level. Not sure though, but we should be. I have to check if I left some orders on. Guys, pro tip, don't take it from me if you don't want to, but always check on your orders page on QuantTower or NinjaTrader or whatever, because you can never know if you have some ghost orders or something you forgot to take out from one of your tabs or whatever. Always check your orders tab, because trust me, it's gonna hurt you when you don't realize, then some order is gonna get triggered, and that's gonna make you crazy. All right, gold seemed to be trying to drop here, but I just don't trust it. I think we're getting higher. What Marcos said about the 280 level, look at the 1 hour chart to the left. Look at the 1 hour chart. This here actually is a bearish order block. It's a 1 hour bearish order block if I go to the left here. And I'm gonna put a, so that's a bearish order block, 1 hour. Keep that in mind. That's a bearish order block. I think price could be heading up there if some of you guys are looking for gold. Very strong level. I think we should be reaching that. I'm not jumping in a trade because it's too high for me to go long and too high for me to go short. So, but if you are better risk takers than I am, then that's what I see. At least she cooks. I love food too. Oh, guys, don't tell me. I love to eat. That's gonna be my end. That's gonna be my arch enemy. Because I just love food. I love to eat. I love everything. I'm the kind of guy who I'm not I'm not the person who goes into a Michelin restaurant and eats a piece of something like super great. No, I want to go in a restaurant and fill the table with all kind of food. No, I can't eat that. But really, I like every kind of kitchen. I like Italian kitchen. I like every country's cuisine, specialties. I love food, guys. I love it. Makes me super happy if I eat something good. I love sweets too. Yeah. Yeah, I live in Hungary, Trading Star. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, I live 90 kilometers from Budapest. South. So yeah. Yeah, that's where I live. You live in Germany. Awesome. I love Germany. I was in Munich in the BMW museum. I was in Frankfurt, and that's it so far. I was traveling through the Autobahn, so maybe I could have seen more places. I was flying to Frankfurt, and I was in Essen too. Essen. But yeah, I'm going to buy a drink now. Are you sure about? Yeah. So market is going to be closed. So FOMC Forex is going to be open, I think, but otherwise nothing is going to happen with FOMC. So yeah, you live 1 hour from Frankfurt. That's great. That's awesome. I bought a BMW in Essen. I was flying out. And I bought a BMW Z3. It was like 10 years ago. I bought the BMW Z3 for 4,200 euros. It was very cheap, but it had a broken mirror, and the top was scratched. So that's what it was cheap. But I drove home 1,400 kilometers with that from Germany. South Germany, nice. We like your girlfriend, all right. I mean, we men. She's a qualified wife material now. Yeah, she is. Oh, yeah. Actually, this morning when I was streaming, she brought me food. I turned off the camera and she brought me food. So, she always asking behind the door, like, can you turn the camera down? And I just pushed the mute button and turned the camera, and she brought me food. You're Sri Lankan. Oh, Sri Lanka. Oh my God, that's a beautiful place. I saw pictures. I also saw some documentary from Sri Lanka. Guys, I hope you don't mind talking about all this stuff, but look at the charts right now. It's absolutely non-tradable. I'm watching for some movement here, but there's nothing I can enter here. Look at this. We're just consolidating. Gold is going higher as we expected, but I'm not going to go long on gold. So is our Mali? What does that mean, Mali? Maybe I'm missing something. I'm Mali. Look at that. Going up. Brother. Oh, okay. Brother. Brother. Okay, that's brother. We say in Hungarian testvér. That's what we say, testvér. Welcome, testvér. Or you say in German, Bruder. Bruder? Sorry about my accent. Ich spreche Deutsch nur ein bisschen. Muddy brother. Oh, look at that. NQ is up again. I mean, this is the 1 minute. If you see anything special on a 1 minute chart under these circumstances, you should hear me when I speak German. Everybody would laugh at me because I know some words, but I can't put them together in the proper expression. So I just say, for example, ich möchte fahren ein Auto. Also du musst, ich muss kaufen ein Auto zu fahren zu Hause. Weißt du? Okay, danke. That's how I speak German. So very super basic skills. I worked in Italy with some Sri Lanka. Oh, awesome food. Oh yeah, awesome food, I guess. Yeah. Not bad, Tom. All right. Okay, hopefully I was able to help somehow. You bought 20 50k Apex accounts? Dude. I didn't log into Apex only in the morning. Dude, listen. I thank you so much for that. Huge applause for the support and everybody. For the support. But listen, ERP, thank you. Thank you for that. I'm really... thank you. Trust me, guys, it helps me to pay the bills and move forward. Thank you very much. Okay, but I don't want to sound like I'm bragging or anything. It's up to you guys, but let's focus here. So, thank you again. This is sideways action. And look at gold. Should I feel some FOMO? Maybe I should. We're going for that order block. You lost your 20 accounts. Dude, you know, practice makes the master. That's what we say. So ERP Media, trust me. You can make it back. But we all learn from it. Dude, we all learn from it, ERP Media. And we just move forward. And you know what? Maybe you should relax, like read a book. Maybe what I used to do is I read Mark Douglas books, or he has some good workshops still uploaded to YouTube. Rest his soul, but the ones that he did in the 90s and in the 2000s, it's uploaded to YouTube. I always like to watch them if I want to gain some extra mental training for trading. I think it's awesome. Yeah, ERP. I would say that search for Mark Douglas workshop on YouTube. He has some good ones up there, like 2 hours long or 3 hours long or whatever. I always used to watch that, and it keeps calming me down if you don't want to read, because many times I don't want to read too. I just put in a video if I need some push on trading. ERP Media, shoot me an email. I want to send you something. It's absolutely it's nothing technically, but just when you have the time, shoot me an email, and I will send you something. Here is my email. But you don't have to if you don't want to, but it's for your support. But that's my email for later, you know. But revenge trading is the #1 enemy, yeah, for everybody, I guess. Yeah, just slow down. Olisha, hey, Olisha, I like your avatar. I don't know what it is because it's very small on my OBS, but you change your avatar. Let's see what's happening. We're still just going sideways. It's a picture I saw when I was in Buffalo, New York. Oh, okay. I'm in Austin, Texas. Dude, I heard so much about Austin, Texas, actually. I heard a lot about Austin, Texas. I mean, definitely on my bucket list to visit. Gold is up there. So yeah, revenge trading, my biggest enemy as well. That's 100% sure. All right. Thank you. I just received it. I just sent you another one. All right. What are we looking at? We made a new high. We made a new high to the order block. Gold is going to the order block. It's no question about it. But I'm not going to jump in now. It's just the range is too small. I told you guys, and the kill zone is getting to an end soon. Marcos, stop loss, you're out. Oh yeah, you were short. Hey Marcos, I mean, I hope you didn't really took much on your stop there. So let's see. Let's see what is going. This morning I had a very good profit. Yeah, you had to try it, but listen, Marcus, I think you are killing the market so many times. Like, you are doing a great job there. I don't fear that you're gonna do bad, because even the best traders have some losses sometimes, you know. Even the best ones. Let me show you. Yeah, so Marcus, in my book, you definitely have diamond hands, and I like the passion you give to trading. So Dude, I'm happy. I'm happy you're here, and hope you'll stick with the stream because I definitely like your thoughts there. Look at that. We have this previous high at 371. We're going higher. What is this? We have a gap here. This is from the news. Unbalanced price range, I guess. Unbalanced price range here. I'm wondering when is the starter plan is launching, because I was keep updating my MyFundedFutures dashboard, but they still haven't updated the new starter plan yet. So I don't know. I don't know what's going on with there. But anyway. Yeah, so I'm waiting for the launch because I had the email that they're launching it today. So it's today, and the market opened up, and I've even changed my the ad up there because they said we can start advertising, but it's not there. You bought the expert at 132. Hey, listen, the expert is good too. It's now you have absolutely less rules, more space to trade, so there's no issue with the expert. I was just and I also want to do the giveaway for you guys as soon as possible. Most likely it's going to be Friday, but I got the email from partnerships that I can put out the new price today on the 3rd, but the dashboard is still on the old price on the starter, so I don't know. The expert is still good. You know, if you blow the account, there's going to be they confirmed me that they're not going to do the same discount for the expert accounts. So if you by some unfortunate reason blow up your expert account, just keep the subscription, because you know next month you can still go with it and still a good price with the activation fee and everything. But whatever, it's you. The drawdown is better with the new starter. Yes. Extra $500. That's actually good. That is actually good. Very good. So that extra 500 is good. Look at that, man. FOMO is kicking in, right? But hey, can't complain. The markets are closing. I mean, you have to close the trades. For example, in TopStep, you have to close it by 12 p.m. I think. No activation fee is the best. I think other prop firms are going to do something about that too. It's definitely a game changer. It's a game changer. But you know that's why I said take profit trader say goodbye to activation fee too. Of course, it's a little bit more expensive up front. But you know, at least you don't have to calculate with anything else, so at least it's good. Gold is going up there, but I don't think we can do. I mean, what can we do with Nasdaq? Do you think Nasdaq wants to go higher, make a new high? All-time high is up there. I think 371 is the all-time high, if I'm correct. And I was just scalping today, but I didn't call out any official trades that I wanted to because I did not have any entry, especially not on the 5-minute. maybe the gold trade could have been a good one, but I told you guys it's just too high from we are in deep premium. I'm not deep, but we're pretty much high up there, and that's why I just don't know. Anyway, let's see what happens. We have actually the kill zone is officially almost over. Just a few minutes left. Just a few minutes left, guys. I don't know what to do here, but you know what? I think I'm going to call it here because market is going to slow down. Yeah, we have one more hour after this, but I don't know. Is it worth to push it? I don't think so. I don't think so. But anyway, thank you everybody for the support. Thank you ERP and everyone who were using my code or link. We had a good talk. It was an interesting session. London session was not so good. Everything was pretty much slow and no direction really. So it was definitely not one of those days when you have the good price action. I think it's on a scale of 10. I would say price action today was a 2, maybe. Best case scenario, a 3. But anyway, it's not good. And I think it's better to focus maybe for Friday. Tomorrow I'll be here for the London session. So the show must go on, you know. and yeah, thank you again. Push the like, subscribe. We're gonna do giveaways, MyFunded Futures. And again, if you would like to support, we have some codes, links, everything if you want to go a little bit cheaper and support the channel. Keep an eye out for MyFunded Futures. They said they're going to start the new account, the starter account today. If you would like one of those, just type in my code. It does not going to give you a discount, but it gives me credit for the channel. Anyway, thank you so much. Have an awesome evening, morning, night, and be safe. Take care. If you're in the US, have a great day tomorrow. Holiday, enjoy the day tomorrow, and I'll be back in the London session. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. Be safe. Goodbye.